Sbergia on the Ukulelezaza. On the short bass one, Dario Polerani and Veronica Sbergia. Thank you very much.